Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're going to talk about how to prune tomatoes. There's a difference between how you prune the determinate and the indeterminate tomatoes. So stay tuned and we will explain the difference and how we do it. Okay, first of all, you have to know the difference between a determinate tomato and an indeterminate one. A determinate tomato will grow to a certain height, and it's more of a bush tomato, and it produces all of its fruit at one time. Now, it might produce a little bit more later on, but the majority of the crop comes all at once. The indeterminate tomato will keep growing. It's kind of like a vine, and it keeps going taller and taller, and it produces from the beginning until it dies at the end. And you prune these completely differently. The bush tomatoes really do not need much of a trellis. A tomato cage, something like that will be probably fine for them. The indeterminate ones need some type of trellis, and they need to be controlled more. So let's look at what we did. Let's look at the indeterminate ones first. Now with the indeterminate tomato, what you usually do is you trellis them to a one stem system. It means they have one stem coming up. This is to help control the bushiness of them. You can let them split later on if you want into two. But you don't want a whole bunch of them because this will continue to keep growing, and it will get heavy and it will break off if you don't have it trellised some way. So the only reason I really left this one on is because of this little section here. Once that blooms, I'll probably come back down here and cut it off here and just have my single stem coming up the rest of the way. Now what you do on these is remove all the leaves on the bottom 15 to 18 inches from the ground. This prevents the soil, fungus, and bacteria from splashing up onto your plant and causing diseases and stuff. And I did that with most of these. I did it with all of them actually. And then what you do is you take out these little suckers. That's this part here. These will grow completely. Here's one. And you can see it'll grow and make a completely new tomato. And in fact, you can put these in water and start another tomato plant if you need another tomato. So you take out the suckers on those. That's all you have to really do with your indeterminate tomatoes. Just keep staking them up and they'll keep growing up taller and taller and taller, and they will produce throughout the season. So we've got these all staked up. They're pretty much, you come in here almost every day and check out for these suckers because they do grow fast. Okay, now for the indeterminate ones, for the determinate ones, you just kind of let them go. And they will produce all at once. You see this plant is loaded with blooms. You do take out the lower leaves that are touching the ground. You take those out. But you don't do anything else. And we've got tomatoes already forming on here. Now I've got the po beans in the center here, which are doing fine, and by the time the po beans need to be harvested, these little tomatoes are probably taken out because these are the 42-day variety. They come on quick first and then they're gone. So that's the difference between pruning determinate and indeterminate tomatoes. So I hope you found this helpful. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and dream big. Follow that dream. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.